are we all doing? I hope everybody out there in Viewerville is fine and well, and may I say dandy. Is that going to be my new way of introducing myself every time? I don't know. Anyway, I hope everybody is okay. I'm recording this on a Saturday night, so what are you guys doing? I'm watching the Olympics. Well, obviously I'm talking to you, but apart from that, I'm watching the Olympics. It's very exciting. Anyone caught any of that? I enjoy it. Figure skating is my favourite. Anyway, that's not what I'm here to talk to you about, is it? Obviously, I'm here because it's time for Roccabox. So this month, some of my boxes are a bit later because I was like, I don't know if I'm going to get any, which ones I'm going to get. But I did see a few other people's recordings, so I was like, FML, I need those in my life. So here it is, in my life. Shall we see what's inside? But before we get there, I'd love it if you could just give me a big thumbs up. So let me know you love the video, because you do, right? You do. Don't forget you can subscribe to my channel. If you're not yet subscribed, you can hit that notification bell so you know when I upload, because it could be the middle of the night. And you can share this video with all your friends, family, anyone you like. Everyone you like. Everyone you don't even like. That's fine. Okay, let's get into the video. So if you don't know, Roccabox is a monthly subscription box, and it's £10 a month plus P&P, which I'll pop on the screen because I can't remember. But I actually got this for £9 this month because there is a 10% voucher code. I had cancelled my last subscription and I logged into my account and I went to buy another box and I put in the same code I used last time and I got another £1 off. So yeah, you know, £1 isn't going to save the world, but every pound counts. So I thought I would just let you guys know that. Please don't tell Roccabox. Maybe I shouldn't say that on camera and then link my video to Roccabox. Probably a bad idea. Anyway, so let's see what we have in this month's box. This is the card and it says, "Hello lovelies." You know, they're speaking my language. Well, February is here at last. We finally waved goodbye to dry January. Good riddance. Literally good riddance. And Valentine's Day is nearly here, so dust yourself off, rediscover your makeup bag and get ready to face the world again. We've pulled out all the stops to put together a box that's going to get you totally ready for Feb. A carefully crafted collection of goodies, miracle products and makeup must-haves that will have you prepped, preened and date ready in no time. Okay, let's see what this is. Patchology Flash Patch Restoring Night Eye Gels. Oh, my old baggy old eyes definitely need some of this. This set of eye gels, designed to be used just before you go to bed, contains a powerful dose of anti-aging, retinol and peptides and arnica to soothe tired eyes. In other words, they'll brighten eyes, reduce dark circles and fight wrinkles in just 5 minutes. It's £18 for a pack of 5, and that means an individual one is worth £3.60. So that's a pretty good start, and I'm looking forward to that. I think I'm going to put them on tonight because staying up late to watch the Olympics last night gave me terrible, terrible bags this morning. This is one of the things that I actually really wanted to try. It's a brush, and if you've watched my latest video on little beauty makeup brushes things, you'll see that I got one of these pretty much the same size, and I thought that it was too small. But this is apparently a foundation brush, and so the one I got was this size as well. So that's interesting. So I wasn't crazy to use it for foundation. It comes with a little lid. It's a full-size product and it's worth £7.99. So the bristles are like this, and they are quite firm, but they do feel nice. I won't brush my face because I don't want to. Yeah, I'm going to give that. I might do a brush off, you know, brush versus brush. This is nice, but this plastic handle does feel really cheap. Like, yeah, makes it feel the same kind of value as the £1.99 one from Lidl. But the brushes itself feels nicer. So we're going to have a brush off and it's going to be great. What does it say? We've been itching to get our hands on one of these miracle brushes for a while. Once you've applied your foundation with this beauty, you'll never go back to using your fingers. Seamless application, flawless skin and a base that couldn't look better if you face tuned it. Say hello to your new favourite tool. Okay, what do we have next? This I'm very excited about. This is a small hand cream sample from Crabtree and Evelyn. It's Venetian Violet Hand Therapy mini size. Full size is £8. It says if the date goes well enough to justify a little under the table hand action, by which we mean holding hands, of course. Are they trying to be a bit cheeky? Then you'll be glad that this has become your handbag staple. A luxuriously rich hand cream from the ultimate purveyors of hand treatments. This scrumptious blend of nutrient-rich oils will leave your mitts feeling truly pampered and smelling good enough to eat. And there's a 15% online exclusive at crabtreeevelyn.co.uk with the code Roccabox. It's valid until the 28th of February and it's one application per user and valid only on full price items. I am loving my Crabtree and Evelyn hand cream at the moment. I've got about 4 on the go, like 1 in my bag, 1 in the car. Was it 1 in the car? Or 3 maybe. Oh, I've got to open this. I've got to open it. I can't wait. That is nice. The other one I've got that I'm really enjoying at the moment is this one, which is called Old World Jasmine. And it's so nice. It smells like bluebells and I can't think of what the other thing is. Maybe hyacinths when they're in bloom? I don't know. So good. So good. It makes me really happy just to sniff my hands. My hands are down on my lap right now and I can smell the smell wafting up. And this is similar. So, and I love purple things and I love this shiny colour. I just love it all. I love it all. What have we got next in the box? Okay. What is this? How do you say this? This from Deuce? Bold Control Graphic Marker. Easy to control graphic liquid eyeliner. Is that how you say it? Deuce? Let's have a look. Oh, you really do pull off the lid. So look at that. Look at that big fat spiky thing. Don't know where I was going with that. Do a really thin line, but it's not very... Kind of needs going over to get the full blacklist. Like, look, if I do it side by side, it's almost like a felt tip that's been left out a little while. And even if I apply pressure, I don't know if you can see how hard. Yeah, you need to press quite hard to get a bold line, but on the edge of it, it's not very bold. I do prefer like a fibre felt tipish type whatever this is called, eyeliner, but yeah, I'm not sure about that one yet, but you know what it is, the proof is in the pudding. The proof is in the pudding. I've got eyes. Before anyone says things about my dodgy purple eyeliner, I was messing around with that thing I got out of Box Me Beautiful. And I was like, well, I might not be keen on it, but I'm going to have to make some use out of it. I'm trying really hard to draw over this purple. It is getting there. Obviously purple's quite a big colour to draw over, isn't it? No, it's not bad actually. My wings are terrible, so I apologise for that, but yeah, it's okay. I think it's better if you're doing a chunky wing, a wing that you want to go over a few times, because if you waver off your line a bit, you're going to be a bit sad. But let's find out. I've lost my bit of paper. Oh, right. This is worth £15 and you either get this one or you get the Deuce Fierce and Fine graphic pen. I think I would have preferred the Fierce and Fine one. I'm more of a fine line girl. Never mind, it doesn't matter because you need to have variety in life, right? And maybe I should learn to be a both type of girl. These waterproof graphic liner pens are going to be your secret weapon in perfecting that date night smoky eye. We can guarantee that without the hassle of tugging and pulling, and with a formula that miraculously doesn't smudge, smear or flake, you'll be nailing that wing look for once and all. Yeah, but that's if you can do it straight. Well, to be honest, look, it does smudge. Like, how long does it take to dry? I've had other ones that dry straight away. That's been on my hand for at least, I don't know, 2 minutes now. It does smudge. It does smudge. Oh, these companies and their claims. I'm feeling really hyper tonight. I don't know if that's coming across. But yeah, I'm a bit like, whoo, wired. Anyway, last item. And it is this from Larizzi Cosmetics. Oh, I've never had anything from them before. Very exciting. Looks like a nice pink Valentine's package. It says there's nothing quite like the thought of Valentine's Day to put us on the hunt for a super sexy, long-lasting lippy. Looks nice in the picture. With its velvet matte finish that makes lips look fuller and poutier and a colour that lasts all night long, we think we've found the right one. This is a full-size product and worth £14. This is what it looks like. That's really pink, isn't it? Undressed liquid lip stain in Deep Orchid. I'm a little bit scared, but my lips are a bit pink already. That's just like Barry M baby lip balm, which it's the thing with these coloured lip balms. These Barry M coloured lip balms are so tinted, and I'm just like slathering it on without looking and then realising, oops, it's all over my face. Yeah, broke another nail. Oh, but let's just pop this on and see what it looks like. I realise I've got one black wing there and one not black wing there. I look a bit weird, don't I? Never mind. It's all for the sake of the channel. Okay. I feel like this, it's not a very thick formula, so I'm going back in for a second swipe to do my top lip. On there. Let's go in for another swipe on the bottom. That didn't feel like a good swipe. Let's get a better one. It smells like, is it chocolate or something? I don't know. It smells nice, or am I just smelling my hand cream? I don't know. But it feels very nice on the lip, and actually this is not a colour I would generally pick for myself, but maybe it's with my purple eye and my orange cheeks. I don't know, but I'm actually quite liking it. Sorry, this is a bit of a dodgy application. It's very late. And I'm just going to let it dry while I add up the prices, because I'm sure you've worked it out by now, but my brain's too small. And then we'll do a kiss test in a moment. So I've added up our box and it is worth £42.39. That is not bad for a £9 plus PMP outlay, or whatever it is, £3 PMP. I'm pretty happy with that. That is like 4 times box value, pretty much. And I like all the products. Yeah, I'm a bit unsure about the eyeliner, but I'm not very good with eyeliner, so it's not necessarily the eyeliner product's fault that I don't know what I'm doing. What can I say about that? But I really like this lip colour. It feels really comfortable. It still doesn't feel like it's quite dried. Like, it feels very slightly tacky. But, however, you can only just about see the lip outline on my hand there. I don't know if you can even see that at all on camera. I can just about see a lip outline. So that's pretty good. I don't know why, if I stick my tongue on it, that will help. It won't help. I just say it feels a bit sticky because when I'm trying to press my lips together to see how my lips rub across each other, because that is one of my tests with liquid lipsticks, matte liquid lipsticks. Are they going to be chalky and grabby? I can't really do that yet because it still feels sticky. I like the lipstick. I really like the hand cream. I love stuff from Crabtree Evelyn. I love that there's a voucher code, because I actually asked, I wanted my husband for Valentine's Day to get me a bigger size of that hand cream that I was showing you earlier. And now he's going to be able to get 15% off. So win, win, win for everybody. And I'm really looking forward to doing a brush off, and I cannot wait to put those eye things on. After this video, I'm going to take my makeup off and I'm going to get down to it with the iPads. That is all. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will join me again for another unboxing. I've got more videos to come. If you checked out my Instagram at Life in High Def, you'll see I put a picture on there of some things that I am waiting to unbox. This being one of them, but there are more. So you don't want to miss out on that, do you? You better be subscribed and notified and keep in touch with my social media so you know what I'm up to. And you can tell me some things, leave me some comments. And until next time, live every moment well and take care of each other. Bye!